Okay, and when you are ready to start logging your minutes read for the Children's Summer Reading Program here at the Burke County Public Library, whenever you log into your account on the event day, your screen will look like this on your desktop. And to log minutes read, you will click right here with the log button. Be sure to choose minutes, as that is how your points are assigned, how prizes are awarded, and that is what is being tracked. You can type in the book that you read, and a lot of times the book that you are looking for will auto-populate. And we'll say we read this book for 10 minutes. And the final step to this, and it's very important that you do this, that you select the account that is tracking the minutes. Click on Submit, and it will log your activity in that way. You will see your total points here. You can look at your history right there. You can also do so on the left-hand side of the screen by clicking that history icon. It will take you there as well. Here you can download your log. You can view any prizes once they start being assigned, and you will get notifications to do that. If you need to update your account, you can click on the Account tab on the right-hand side of the screen and choose the My Account button. Any information that you need to update, you can do so there. If you want to switch between accounts, if you are the parent and you are also wanting to log your information, you can go over here, choose your name, and it will bring you right there. Your screen will look very similar, and your tracking will be shown in a different tutorial. If you have any questions or have any issues getting logged in and set up, be sure to contact any of our library locations. We will be happy to help you. Whenever you open up the mobile app, you will want to search for Burke County in the options there, and it will auto-populate. Choose Burke County Public Library and log in. You can log into the Anchor account, or if you opted to create a children's specific login, log in using your username and password. On the left hand side right there, tap that little yellow arrow. You'll have the option to switch accounts, and you can switch over to the children's account. You can log your minutes read by tapping that little button right there that looks like a pencil. Much like with the desktop, be sure to choose minutes read. Just like with the desktop, whenever you start typing your book title, it will auto-populate, and you can choose from the drop-down menu or continue to type it in manually. Type in however many minutes you read, and just like on the desktop, be sure to choose the account that is logging the minutes and click Submit. It will save your activity and add your points. You can view your history by tapping that H right there on the menu bar, or once again on the left-hand side of the screen, you can tap that little yellow arrow and hit history down there at the bottom. You can update your account by tapping My Account, updating the information you have there. Once you save, it will take you back to your home screen, and you are ready to log for this year's summer reading program.